We are facing an unprecedented situation, one that is changing hour by hour, and governments around the world are having to make quick decisions. Thank you to all of you working in our schools, colleges and childcare settings. You've been at the front line in keeping learners safe and well. The situation in schools has been under constant and careful review based on scientific and public health advice. Today, I can announce that we're bringing forward the Easter break for schools in Wales. This means schools will close for statutory provision this Friday, the 20th of March. From next week, schools will have a new purpose. They will help to support those most in need, including people who are involved in the immediate response to the coronavirus outbreak. I'm working with my colleagues in the Cabinet, with government officials and our partners in local government to develop and finalise these plans. We're looking in detail at how we can support and safeguard all those who benefit from free school meals and children with additional learning needs. I will make sure that you are kept up to date. This situation will be kept under constant and careful review. Wales is a world leader in online and distance learning through our hub platform, and advice and guidance is available there. I'm also working with Qualifications Wales and the WJEC about this year's exam series. In line with all education ministers across the UK, I will be making a further announcement shortly. Today's decision will help ensure an orderly closure so schools have the time to prepare ahead of the early break. My main message for everyone is to stay safe and stay well. We will work together and we will face this outbreak together. Please follow the latest public health advice. The latest guidance is always available on our website at gov.wales/coronavirus.